I feel very good now. I'm relaxed. Well, we are still relaxed since a week. Since after the doldrum corridor. But now I'm on the pontoon and it's done. Stick. We have 15 points. Yeah.
I feel very excited to be here. It's been a long race. It's one of the longer legs. It's been the first race of the series, which is obviously a huge learning experience for myself as a skipper and for the team. I'm very happy with the result. Coming second is very beneficial for the team. They know what they're capable of and we can build on that throughout the race. But we are here now. We are going to get our well-deserved rest and then we'll crack on.
For us to finish third in this first leg would be very special. I must admit, after the battle we've had and the positions that we've seen this race, it would be good. Derry are very much only 5 miles behind us now. In fact, probably less than that, 4 miles, and Garmin probably 10 miles behind us as well. So we've got a long way to go still. We're not going to be in until tomorrow. Anything can change.
Everyone's pretty tired now. I mean, we've been going at this for almost a month now, and I, for one, I'm sore. My body's aching, my brain's starting to get a bit foggy. I'm slowing down, and it really takes it out of you. You're on the bow and you're trying to keep yourself balanced and holding on at all times, but at the same time, lugging sails around and sweating sails, and it's just it's a very taxing environment to be in. And everyone's feeling it right now.
Dan and I have pretty much been battling out for the last 3 weeks, which seems incredible. So 5,500 miles, and there we were just outside of Rio, a mile apart. In fact, less than a mile apart. At one point we were literally 2-3 cables separation, stuck in no wind, and yeah, it was mind-altering to say the least.
Those two boats haven't been more than a couple of miles apart really since Madeira, and it's been so tight between them, either of them could have pulled this off. In fact, this morning at 6 o'clock, Derry had just crept ahead a bit by about half a mile, and I thought, we're going to get an upset. And even when GB overtook her towards the finish, it was a question of when they tacked to get to the finish line. Who was going to get it? They were so close to each other, half a mile apart. What a fabulous race they've had between them though. I mean, they could pick each other up on AIS throughout this race. It was that close.